So, madam, yeah.
Well, you only need the only know you can hide when you feel low. Only hear you over when you miss.
Baba's Junior-thon, which is the second edition this year. So I can only say that it's gone bigger, better. I see more entries come in, and it's been on since 6 o'clock in the morning. And the kind of enthusiasm, the children, the parents, it's such a beautiful way of getting the community together, and what better way than getting them fit so early in the morning. And I'm so proud of the Baba group, Karan, Vikram, Kiran, uncle, auntie, the whole family just comes together to get this event alive, and I think we're very fortunate in Juhu to have this now in the second year, and I've requested them to make this bigger and better next year.
So what do you think is the USP when it comes to so many equal streets and lots happening in Mumbai?
I think it's very important to have these kind of events. Equal Streets also was another very good, interesting event that we organized for the community. I think as time goes by and the kind of stress lives that we lead, these kind of events are a release to our stress. And I'm hoping, like I said, that we turn this even into a fun fair. Maybe we make this even bigger next year. We have more art, we have culture, we have music, we have dance. We saw a beautiful group perform in the morning. So I'm really hoping that this goes larger than life now. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, second edition of Baba Junior-thon, and it's getting bigger and better. So much of crowd. How did this happen? How did you initiate putting the show together?
Well, the initiation was all about with our own kids to encourage them for a healthier lifestyle. आज के बच्चे काफ़ी लैपटॉप और आईपैड्स पे कोविड के बाद इनकरेज हो गए और सभी उसी पे होते हैं, तो ये हमने एक चीज़ की है बच्चों को इनकरेज करने के लिए। और पिछला साल जो था वो पहला साल था, ये सेकेंड ईयर है, और ये सेकेंड ईयर में पिछले साल हमारे बच्चे थे 350 और ये साल 600 बच्चे भागे हैं, और सबसे ज़्यादा भागने वाले बच्चे 5 साल से लेके 10 साल के बीच के थे। सो इट हैज़ बीन एन excellent turnout. We are very thrilled and very happy to see the kids running and the parents participating with them, and I wish that this keeps increasing because बच्चों की health fitness ही हमारे देश के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है।
We see the entire family get together in the morning every year. This is second year. Kenji, what do you have to say about that?
Good morning all.
I think family जब आप बोलते हैं तो गुरु की कृपा से हम साथ हैं, हम सब एक दूसरे को इनकरेज करते हैं, एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट दिस इज़ अ ब्रेन चाइल्ड ऑफ माई ब्रदर्स करण एंड विक्रम, जो खुद भी आयरन मैन है और इंटरनेशनली भागते हैं, इंटरनेशनल मैराथन्स करते हैं। सो दिस इज़ देयर ब्रेन चाइल्ड एंड इट्स टर्न्ड आउट टू बी लवली एज यू सी, एंड वी आर वेटिंग फॉर माधवन टू कम इन एंड अमित जी टू कम इन, एंड इस जगह को और 4 चांद लग जाएंगे।
आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे? इस साल लास्ट ईयर से बहुत बेहतर हुआ है, अगले साल क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है? मोदी आपसे
अगले साल अगर आप मुझसे पूछो तो मैं तो इच्छा करूंगी पहले तो ग्राउंड ही छोटा पड़ जाए, हमें ग्राउंड बड़ा लेना चाहिए, एंड आई थिंक वी शुड क्रॉस मोर देन 1000 kids by the next year, and it's going to be very successful because a lot of kids and parents are now getting encouraged to do something. And you know, there is a Tata Marathon run, there is so much for the elders. For the kids, I think there's not much in our country, and I'm glad we have initiated this as a family, and I'm sure this will keep growing on and on.
I'm sure a lot of parents must have come to you saying that it's a good outlet for the children.
As I absolutely said that, you know, encouraging your kids to sit on an iPad, you rather make them practice, make them run towards a fit India. That is more important because बच्चे अगर स्वस्थ हैं तो अपना देश मस्त है।
थैंक यू। का एरिया 2 सालों से बस कर रहे हैं 1 दिसंबर को फॉर बाबा जूनियर-थॉन, क्या कहेंगे आप?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बाबा जुहू जूनियर-थॉन एक बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है, क्योंकि हम मैराथन के बारे में सुनते हैं, एडल्ट्स के बारे में सुनते हैं, यंगस्टर्स के बारे में सुनते हैं, लेकिन 5 से 15 साल के बच्चों के लिए इस प्रकार के जूनियरथॉन का आयोजन करना मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अपने आप में एक अनोखी चीज़ है एंड इट्स अ वेरी ग्रेट इनोवेशन डन बाय बावा ग्रुप ऑफ होटल्स एंड ये हमारे छोटे छोटे बच्चों को भी आने वाले समय में वो बड़े बड़े मैराथन्स में पार्ट लेने के पहले उन्हें एक प्रिपेयर करने के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा इनिशिएटिव है, ऐसा मैं मानता हूँ, और एक अनोखा इनिशिएटिव है, इनोवेटिव इनिशिएटिव है, और मैंने इस प्रकार का इनिशिएटिव पहले कभी सुना नहीं है और इट इज़ वन ऑफ इट्स काइंड, जहाँ पर हमारे छोटे छोटे नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों को भी इस प्रकार के मैराथन में पार्टिसिपेट होने का एक अवसर इसमें मिला है।
आज की डेट में जब डिजिटल मीडिया, डिजिटल एज, डिजिटल टैबलॉइड्स इतना ओवरपावर कर रहे हैं, बच्चों के लिए ये आउटलेट, उसके बारे में क्या कहेंगे? They can physically interact।
नहीं, एब्सोल्युटली मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इस प्रकार के जो इनिशिएटिव्स है वो हमारे डिजिटल एज में, जैसे हम जब भी छोटे थे तो हम बाहर निकलकर मैदान में जाकर खेलते थे, बाहर खेलते थे, छोटे छोटे जो गेम्स है वो खेलते थे, लेकिन आजकल के जो बच्चे हैं वो डिजिटल एज में अपने मोबाइल या अपने आईपैड को चिपके हुए जो नज़र आते हैं, और इस एज में इस प्रकार के इनिशिएटिव्स का एक अलग उसका एक महत्व है, उसका एक अलग इम्पोर्टेंस है, और इस प्रकार के इनिशिएटिव्स जो हमारे बच्चों को अपने आईपैड और मोबाइल से बाहर निकलकर ज़मीन के ऊपर मैदान में लेकर आते हैं, जिससे वो हेल्दी भी रह सके और उन्हें एक डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म से भी थोड़ा सा उन्हें ब्रेक मिले।
ऐसा बोल दिया अमित सर
Well, yeah, we've been running the streets of Juhu from the last, I think, 20 years now, and have participated in many events of half marathon, full marathons, Ironman. So we always wanted to inspire the upcoming generation as well, and seeing my kids at home, since we are in a joint family, for them to get out on the streets and leave the mobile phones and the tablets. I think this was a best way to get them out. It's a little small effort from our end, and keep them inspired, keep them rolling, so that they are always wanting to do something new. So yeah, this is one of our efforts, and I hope it goes well with everyone, and we keep on going this with this chapter.
Second edition, and we see a full house here. What are the expectations in the coming years?
We would definitely love to grow the property big with the efforts that we are putting in, and just hope that the kids enjoy. So this year even we have extended the whole property to a, keeping it like a fun and fair. If you see, there are games that our kids are enjoying, so the run gets over in a very quick moment. They just finish in 10 to 15 minutes. I mean, greater than our expectations. So the whole event for the running was over in 45 minutes, though we had 7 different runs. But we decided to keep it growing with the fun and fair that you see around, with the food, with the fun which is here. So we want to grow the property like this way.
It's an absolute honor to welcome our distinguished guests.
Oh yeah, that's what is the most inspiring, because the parents are really happy. They've been thanking us for this effort, as there is no run that happens for the kids, or rather a junior-thon that happens for the kids. So yeah, they're very excited as well, and they are inspiring us to keep going. Thank you so much. Yeah.
I would like to call upon
Yes, sir.
Morning, sir. I thought you'll come running.
This initiative is dedicated to providing affordable and accessible healthcare to all with free and for others. The center will also offer advanced services like MRI and CT scans, X-ray and pathology services. a pharmacy with medicines at factory prices.
National Film Award, Mr. Madhwan currently serves as the President of the Film and Television Industry of India, Pune, and is also a proud brand ambassador for Peter. His inspiring journey continues to motivate us. Please give him a round of applause, everyone. Now I would
Quick words.
Thank you so much. I'm very happy to be here. I believe we had a junior-thon, which is phenomenal and great job done by everybody involved. I'm sorry this has been spontaneously sprung on me, but I'd just like to wish all the kids all the very best for the sport. I'm sure the medals have already been given.
No.
I have to give them? Okay, so I look forward to that. Thank you so much.
So over to you, Kapil, the last category.
Yes, so this is the last category, but this is the most inspiring category because
अरे बच्चों लोग बैठो ना दूसरा लोग बैठा ना बच्चों
yes, so this is 5 to 8 years category, 1 kilometer race, and this is amazing. The kind of timings we are seeing here is amazing. So we'll start with 5 to under 8 years male. At rank 3 we have Dev Karnik. Congratulations, Dev. Dev finished 1 kilometer in 4 minutes and 30 seconds. In just 4.5 minutes, it's over. Fantastic. Rank 2 we have Takshashil, our younger champion. He also, it's just a microsecond faster. 4 minutes and 30 seconds, but a few seconds earlier. Few microseconds earlier. Rank 1, and the winner here is Ranveer Shah. Ranveer Shah, here he is. His timing is 4 minutes and 29 seconds. So here's the thing, kids, understand the value of a second. All the 3 winners are between 1 second. The winner is 4 minutes and 29 seconds. The runner-up is 4 minutes and 30 seconds, and even the first runner-up is 4 minutes and 30 seconds. The matter is just a few microseconds. So 1 second ki कीमत is a lot when you are in sports. 1 second counts a lot. Alright, so moving on to the female category, 5 to under 8 years. Rank 3 we have Ritvi Jain. Ritvi finished in 5 minutes and 14 seconds. Big round of applause for Ritvi. Ritvi's got a nice tattoo also on her. Rank 2 we have Dhwani Nair. Dhwani Nair with a timing of 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Big round of applause, guys. Big round of applause for Dhwani. And the winner here is Aradhya Pramod Patil. Aradhya finished 1 kilometer in 4 minutes and 35 seconds. So thank you. We are done with the awards today, and I think over to Shivika.
A huge round of and a heartfelt thank you to our distinguished chief guests and special guests for presenting the trophies and inspiring everyone here today. Your encouragement has made this event truly unforgettable. To all our young runners, remember, you are all champions for participating today, and we hope this inspires you to keep chasing your dreams. Thank you once again. Can we now call all the winners on the stage for a photograph? All the winners.
All the winners on the stage, please.
On the
Only
stage.
the winners. Only the winners. Winners with their cup and trophies.
All the winners, please come on the stage. ambassadors on the stage for a picture.
Bite. Only. One more question. Please.